Good morning guys, I'm going to be showing you how to fix your power windows in your 120 Prado. This also works for 150 as well. So if you've disconnected your battery and your power windows aren't working like mine are, my front ones are, but to fix your back ones, what you've got to do is you've got to go to the back doors and you actually want to activate them by pushing them halfway down and then pulling it all the way up and just holding it there for about 1 or 2 seconds. And then if we go back to the main panel, that is now working now, as you can see. So that's how easy it is to actually fix those. And this is pretty common to happen after you disconnect your battery. So just keep that in mind, they're actually not broken. Go to the window, push it down, pull it back up, hold it for a second, and then that will reconnect to the master one on your front. So that's how easy it is to change your and fix your power windows, guys. Thanks, guys.